Up. I hear other people. Go on. Hello. All right. Trying to get back onto the trail here. So we're good. Hello. Yay, turtleback. But yeah. You know what? I don't care how tired I am. I want to do Mo Flo. And I want to jump. So I'll see if I can how much video I have left, and if I can show myself doing Mo Flo. Whee! Oh, joy. We're almost back to the parking lot. I can see it now. Oh. Yay. All right, turtleback successfully done. All right, let's go do Mo Flo. Yippee. Mo Flo, Mo Flo, let's go do Mo Flo. Let's jump. Figure I could get like 3 jumps in, maybe 4. For those of y'all that don't know, or have never been to my park or seen Mo Flo, there's 3 sets of trails. You have Mo Flo, I think you have Medusa, and I believe Snake Eyes. They all start at the same one, the same entrance. Mo Flo is a real nice flowy downhill trail, and it is made for you to jump. You don't have to, which is the good part about it, You can go gently over the jumpy parts and not even jump. But you kind of take the fun out of it then if you're not jumping. But I believe if you did Medusa or Snake Eyes, it's there are parts in those two trails you have to jump. I think, what is it? Medusa has one part that has a 10-foot drop, and you have to jump. Otherwise, you will crash and burn and either end up paralyzed or dead or something. I've seen police and paramedics out going this way where I am traveling several times before, and I figure if somebody did Snake Eyes or Medusa and they either didn't jump when they were supposed to, or they didn't jump proper when they did, but they didn't land it proper, and that'll mess you up for life. So I stay away from those. But yeah, but Mo Flo is fun. You guys may get to see me do this like twice or 3 times, depending. There's a long hill you have to travel up first. And I'm not a good climber, so I'll walk it up the hill. So I'll stop recording, walk up the hill, and then start recording again. Yippee! Oh yeah, going to the Mo Flo. Yeah, 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 yeah. And this is that hill I was talking about. So